Hello, I wanted to share with you a short demo which demonstrates how new mobile devices and mapping technology can help with those that are working in outdoor advertising, who are working in the field either updating or repairing signs and billboards. So you're looking at a map here of Salt Lake City. We're going to imagine a scenario where somebody needs to get out to a sign to do some work on it. First thing is we're going to do some directions. So we're actually going to imagine the person's on the west side of Salt Lake City. They're at Redwood Road. And they need to get to a sign which is on the eastern side of Salt Lake, which is at 6800 Wasatch Boulevard, which is in Cottonwood Heights. Now what the application is going to do is provide two things. The actual pop-up will provide the directions to get from the start to the actual sign itself, or the finishing location with the distance, and it gives that as a shortest route. It also shows on the map the route to get to that sign as well. So let's imagine that the worker has got their sign has driven to the sign. We're now in Cottonwood Heights, and as you can see on the map, we've got a number of signs which are placed on the map with their locations. We've actually marked the sign which needs some work doing to it in red, so we can actually change the colours of the sign based on if they require work or not. Let's go ahead and tap that sign. Now that sign has a number of pieces of information about it: the address, the impressions, the copy size, which way it's facing, whether it's illuminated, etc. And there's a whole slew of things that could be in there. One of the things that's also here is a work order. So if we tap the work order, we can see that we've actually got the information that needs to be, or the information needed for the work to be done on that particular sign. So we've integrated that into this system as well. Another area of integration we haven't included here, which needs to be added to this application, is an integration with the existing business systems. So any feedback that this repair person or updates this person wants to include about what they've done on the sign could be fed back into the business system through this application. So we can provide feedback on that information directly into the organization through this application. So this is a really clever way for a field-based staff member to take their iPad, or indeed their iPhone, or Android equivalent mobile devices, bring up an application, a mapping application, get their work done, see the work order, and then report back into the organization the work that they've done. And this is work we're currently doing for outdoor advertisers. Thanks for watching.